This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from crypto. Calm to your bank account. Cashing out your cryptocurrency can seem complex, but I'll guide you through each step. We'll cover everything from preparing your account and linking your bank to initiating the withdrawal and understanding the associated fees and timelines. My goal is to make this process clear and straightforward so you can confidently access your funds. Before you can withdraw your crypto, Calm account needs to be properly set up. First, ensure you've completed the Know Your Customer or KIC verification process, which involves providing your full legal name and a government-issued ID. Next, link your bank account by adding its details and often making a small initial deposit for verification. It's crucial that your bank account name exactly matches your crypto Calm profile to avoid delays. Finally, convert your crypto assets into your preferred fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, within the app's fiat wallet. Once your account is ready and your crypto is converted to fiat, initiating a withdrawal is simple. Open the crypto. Calm app, go to your accounts, then select Fiat Wallet. Tap Transfer, then Withdraw, and choose the fiat currency you wish to send to your bank. Input the exact amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind the daily and monthly limits. Finally, review all the details carefully and confirm your request, often requiring a two-factor authentication code for security. Understanding the fees, limits, and processing times is essential. For US dollar withdrawals, ACH transfers usually take 3 to 5 business days, and crypto. Calm charges no fee, though your bank might. Wire transfers are quicker, typically 1 to 3 business days, but come with a $45 fee. Daily withdrawal limits are generally $100,000, and monthly limits can be up to $500,000. Remember, weekends and holidays do not count as business days, potentially extending transfer times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.